Welcome to digitizing.com, where creativity meets precision, your one-stop destination for all things digitizing. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support@digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Now let's see and learn about embroidery machine hoops, types and uses. Embroidery machine hoops are essential tools in the art of embroidery, serving as the foundation for creating beautiful and precise designs. Their primary purpose is to hold the fabric securely in place during the stitching process, ensuring accuracy and consistency. Understanding the types and uses of embroidery hoops is crucial for achieving professional quality results, whether you are a hobbyist or a seasoned embroiderer. This guide explores the various kinds of embroidery hoops and how they can elevate your projects. Types of embroidery hoops. Standard hoops. Standard hoops are the most common type used with embroidery machines. Typically made of plastic, they come in various sizes to accommodate different design dimensions. These hoops are versatile and ideal for general embroidery projects, making them a staple for beginners and professionals alike. Magnetic hoops are designed for delicate fabrics or projects requiring frequent repositioning. Instead of clamping fabric tightly, these hoops use magnets to hold the material securely without causing distortion. They are especially useful for fabrics like velvet, leather, or materials prone to hoop burns. Continuous hoops are engineered for designs that span large areas such as borders or repeating patterns. They allow the fabric to slide smoothly, enabling seamless continuation of designs without needing to rehoop the material. This type is ideal for curtains, tablecloths, and garments requiring intricate extended patterns. Cap hoops. Specifically designed for embroidering hats and caps, cap hoops help maintain the curved shape of the material while stitching. They are essential for creating professional logos, names, or patterns on caps, providing a secure hold on challenging curved surfaces. Free motion hoops. Free motion hoops are often used in creative projects requiring manual stitching control. While not automated, these hoops are compatible with embroidery machines and allow the user to guide the fabric for unique and custom designs. Jumbo hoops. Jumbo hoops cater to large-scale projects and allow embroiderers to work on big designs without needing to rehoop multiple times. These hoops are perfect for oversized patterns and detailed artwork, saving time and effort. How to choose the right hoop. Project size. Selecting the correct hoop size is vital. Small hoops are perfect for intricate designs, while larger hoops are better for big, bold patterns. Using a hoop that closely matches the design size minimizes fabric movement and ensures better stitch quality. Fabric type. Consider the type of fabric for your project. For delicate or stretchable materials, magnetic or soft grip hoops are preferable. Standard hoops work well with stable fabrics like cotton or polyester. Design complexity. The complexity of your design will influence your choice. Continuous hoops are ideal for repetitive patterns, while jumbo hoops are suited for intricate, large-scale artwork. Machine compatibility. Ensure that the hoop you choose is compatible with your embroidery machine model. Most brands have specific hoops designed for their machines, so check the specifications carefully. Uses of embroidery hoops. Precision and stability. Hoops keep the fabric taut, preventing wrinkles or shifting during embroidery. This stability is critical for achieving precise stitches and consistent designs. Enhanced creativity. Using specialized hoops such as free motion or jumbo hoops allows embroiderers to experiment with various styles and techniques, expanding their creative possibilities. Increased efficiency. Hoops like continuous and magnetic ones simplify complex projects, saving time and ensuring professional results. Versatility across projects. From caps and clothing to home decor items like pillows and curtains, embroidery hoops enable flawless stitching on a wide range of items. Conclusion. Embroidery machine hoops are indispensable for achieving exceptional embroidery results. By understanding the different types and their uses, you can choose the right hoop to match your project needs and fabric type. Investing in high-quality hoops and mastering their application not only enhances your craft, but also unlocks endless creative opportunities. If you're looking for high-quality embroidery digitizing, then digitizing.com is your perfect partner for precision. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizing.com or visit the website digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.